folks, hey, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. I want to be the first person to congratulate you on making a very powerful decision to change the rest of your life. Hey, my name is Wes, and let me give you the story of the brevity of my life. I didn't grow up rich. I grew up not having much. My father was a pastor, my mother was a missionary, and we grew up, going to Walmart and getting clothes, hand-me-downs, and I remember getting teased at school for wearing the shoes. I think I wore Michael Gordon's, not Michael Jordan's, and I remember growing up not having anything, but I remember having a dream, just like you. I remember losing my cars. I've had many repos. I remember losing my house. I remember losing money, filing bankruptcy. I even tried to join the military, folks, for 4 years. And you know what they told me? That you can't fit in, that you're not good enough. They kicked me out. I remember working job after job after job after job, getting fired, getting laid off. Nothing working. And my life changed. And it changed because of one thing. And I want you to put your finger up right now for me. Put your finger up. Come on. Let's change. See, I thought I needed more money. My mom and daddy said, well, money don't grow on trees. Right? And I was like, okay, money don't grow on trees. I guess money is not available. Let's do this again. Once my mind started to change, things started to change in my life. And I want to give you another gift. I know in about 5 minutes, I'm going to send you something that is going to bless you, okay, financially. But I want to give you one more thing. Why? Because I really appreciate you and thank you for taking a leap of faith, because so many people, they won't do what you just did. You took action. You said, you know what, let me just see, let me try it out. Let me share you with this. This is a true story. 5 years ago, I watched a video just like this. I was in a small bedroom apartment. I was on an air mattress. I used to have pictures of cars on the wall. I just have pictures of islands and vacations. I would travel around the world. And at that time, I had $10 in my bank account. $10 in my bank account. And I watched a video just like this, just as you're watching with me. And it changed the rest of my life. I became a multimillionaire. And I don't say that to impress you, but I want to impress upon you that it's real, that it will happen. But you need to know how to condition your mindset properly to get the gifts, to travel the world, to leave your job, to take your family on vacations, to smile and laugh, buy the things that you want because you deserve it. I want to give you access to something very, very special to you. It's called a Millionaire Hacks Overnight, okay? These hacks is what I used 5 years ago that allowed me to make $1 million in 1 month. Sometimes we believe that, well, Wesley, I'm on the journey right now. I'm on the path. It's going to take me 10 years, 5 years. I don't believe that. I failed for 7 years. Once I use the hacks that you have access to right now, made me a millionaire. They were just small hacks. I want you to imagine if you had access to millionaire mindset hacks that could legitimately change the rest of your life, change your bank account, change your relationships, change the car that you drive right now, change the home that you stay in right now, change the amount of money that's in your bank account right now. I want you to imagine it. Small tweaks. This is one. I'm going to give you one. Most people that are poor, that are average, they believe it's that they don't have enough knowledge, or they're not working hard enough to get the things that they want. That's a lie. They believe that they have to make these big major moves in life to make money. I made one tweak, and it changed my bank account for the rest of my life. I was in tears when I made the $1 million. I couldn't believe it, because I thought I was doing the wrong thing. I thought that I had to keep hustling and working my butt off. I thought I had to keep going to seminars and going to Tony Robbins seminars and reading more self-help books and listening to audio tapes. I'm good enough, I'm good enough. No! It was small millionaire hacks overnight that allowed me to become the man that I am today. I've made millions of dollars online. I've blessed my parents. I told my parents, this is the best feeling ever. To be able to go to your parents' house and say, you know what? You're done. You'll never have to work another day of your life. Why? Because your son, I got you. Man, it brought tears to my eyes. And I want to do that for you alone. And I want to give you, unfortunately, 50 people access to this. Because I want people that are serious. I don't want bullshit. I want people that maybe they're against the wall right now. You're probably in a bad rut right now. Maybe you're disappointed. Maybe you're down because it hasn't worked for you. I'm gonna get 50 people and I'm gonna give you that gift. So if the link doesn't work below, I'm sorry. The first 50 people and get involved and take action right now with the Millionaire Hacks overnight. I'm gonna show you what the elite celebrities, secret societies all know when you don't. I'm gonna show you in the next 90 days, you're gonna be the person that people are going to be looking at because you're driving a Rolls Royce. You're driving a Lamborghini. You have a beautiful mansion. You have children that are malleable, that are traveling the world in first class. I want to give you that gift right now. I love you guys. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Remember, 50 people. After 50 people click this link below.